I'm a modest color purple, staying out of the spotlight. But when it comes to brains and skill, I know just when to strike. Beware, beware. Oh, I'm coming for you now. Beware, beware. Oh, I'm coming for you now. Beware. I'm transparent, a shine without color, a flash without order, something strange to contain. Microns aiming, lasers firing. Flash of light. Yeah, that's right. A bright explosion in the circuits of the mind. The pages slowly burning, leaving words behind. Warping elegantly, a beautiful design. This time collapses, breaking, fragmenting all the lines. A slow implosion, burning inside.
Primary directive engage. Acquiring freeway on ramp. Velocity vector nominal. Warning traction control. Error. Cascade failure initiated. Brake pressure. Non-responsive system override. 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 Emergency protocol failure. Failure.
I still edible? Edible, edible. Sinking lower, it's all so terrible. Suddenly a current pulls me away, swirling faster through the blue spray. A water vortex taking me home. Taking me home.
I'm a rhinoceros. I'm on my nose. I'm stuck here on this platform, but I cannot move. I'm froze. Hey, peacock, keep those big feathers away. If I sneeze, we all disintegrate.
Colored sand in grayscale monochrome doesn't make any sense. This is too fast. Colored sand doesn't make any sense. This is too fast. Sorting the sand in monochrome doesn't make any sense. Begin construction acceleration, 100.1 times the new creation. Parsing data streams with hyperspeed precision, executing optimal sort for this division. Wow, the final results are so shiny, elegant new structures perfectly aligned. Wow, the final results are so shiny. Observing from the stratosphere, I'm there and here.